Everyone, this is Russell. I want to welcome you to day number 15, and today actually this whole week we're going to be focusing on building out your review website. And I'm excited because month number 2 we spent a lot of time actually making money with the review website, but right now we're going to focus on getting it all up and ready and prepared so that when week number 2 or when month number 2 comes, you guys will be prepared and ready to start rocking and rolling with that. So that's what this week's going to be focusing on. Now, before I dive into this, I want to let you guys know this has been fun. I've been recording these as we've been doing the training, so I wanted to see people's feedback and get like real life experiences we can kind of put into this to make sure that's progress, that's a result, and a lot of people have never even had a result online, so I want to congratulate you for having a result. And again, if you haven't had any sales yet, that's okay. Don't focus on those. Don't focus on, it's like going trying to go to the bar and pick up girls, and you're upset because you're not married yet. Like, that's okay. It's okay. You're learning the ropes. You're kind of figuring things out. Everything we've covered in the first 2 weeks, I know people have built multi-million-dollar businesses off of just that. So in reality, you could just be focusing on week 1 and week 2 and never do anything else, and you could make a great income and a great living. But obviously, I want to give you guys more and provide more value. So I want you guys building a really sustainable, long-term business. And I know that's what you guys are all here for. And day number 3, make them an offer. Okay, it's a very simple and easy process, but it's something a lot of you guys are nervous about. And I didn't realize that people would be nervous about this part until I started seeing the feedback in the Facebook group and things like that. But a lot of you guys are nervous. Like, what do I send out to my list? What should I be telling them? I don't want to mess this up. I don't want them to unsubscribe. And the reality is, don't worry about any of that stuff. This is a testing ground. If you lose somebody, if someone unsubscribes, that's fine. I lose hundreds, if not thousands, of people a day, and that's okay. Just you need to understand that. Okay. So with that, make sure you guys have done your homework. Go back to your autoresponder and create a follow-up series. If you can't figure out the technical part of that, go ask the customer support for that from that autoresponder company. Okay, they're here to help you as well. One of the biggest tasks, or kind of the biggest skills you can learn online is how to be resourceful. How to learn how to use Google and find things if you get stuck, or how to contact customer support from the company like the autoresponder company or the hosting company, and how to get the right questions and how to search on Google and find out what those questions are. I hope you guys are doing those things because that's really a skill that's going to benefit you the rest of your life. If you can't do those things, very important to start learning those things. Okay, so that's kind of the recap from yesterday. And I think if you guys are ready, I'm ready to jump in and start getting your websites up and running. Okay, now our main goal for everything up to this point has been pretty simple. Okay, obviously there's been a lot of steps, but if you look at the overarching theme, there's a couple of things. Okay, first thing, we need you to set up your email autoresponder, and you've already done that either in GVO or Aweber or wherever you set up your autoresponder. The second thing is you need to hook it into a squeeze page. We've given you a bunch of squeeze pages you can hook it into. We've also, as of this recording, we're almost finished with a new squeeze page generator. So either you already have that in the members area or you will very soon, and you can hook it into that squeeze page. It doesn't matter, but you need a squeeze page. That's the first step in this thing, or excuse me, the second step. Step 1, you need an email autoresponder. Step 2, you need a squeeze page. And step 3, you start buying traffic and driving traffic to that squeeze page. And people opt in, and boom, you start building a list. Now, I've talked a lot about the power of a list, and I hope you guys get that by now. You want a list because you can send out content to that list, make them build a relationship with you, and you can send out offers to that list that makes them want to purchase things from you. Okay, the list is, of everything in this whole business, I can't stress enough the fact that building your list, that is the key right there. I don't know how many times I can tell you guys that. Building a list. That's how you make money in this business. Building a list. I was lucky when I got in this business. My very first mentor was a guy named Mark Joyner, and Mark focused a lot on list building. So I started focusing on that, and it changed my whole business, my whole life forever. If you guys are focusing on SEO tricks and this and that, you're going to struggle in this business because the place you make the money and they make the money fastest and long term is your list. Okay, Facebook, search engines, things like that are going to change and move all the time. But if you've been focusing on the fundamentals and focusing on building a list, it doesn't matter. Okay, I can't tell you how many Google slaps my company has survived because we had a list. Can't tell you how many merchant account problems we've had, but we survived because we had a list. Okay, the only tangible asset you have in your business is your email list. So start building that up. Okay, so that's a big focus. And that's kind of the major goal of the training up to this point. And I hope you guys kind of get that. If you don't, start back over and go through everything again. It's okay if you get a little bit behind. Just don't miss these key principles, because when you understand them, it'll change your life forever. I promise you that. Okay, so today we're actually going to start building out your review website. Now, if you don't have your review website yet, you can just go to affiliatewebsitegenerator.com and get it. It's free. You go and create an account in there. you'll notice when you sign up, there's an upsell for .com Secrets X, and I'll explain why we do that here in a minute. There's an upsell for .com Secrets X, and then you go in there, and everything's in there. How to install it yourself if you want to, how to use GVO to have them install it, but you need to get your affiliate website up, okay? And I'm going to walk you through that process, how it works, how to get installed. I made a whole bunch of videos for you guys so that none of you guys get stuck on the technical parts, and if you do get stuck, you'll know where to ask for help. But one thing I want to focus on is that we're going to be teaching you guys, I just mentioned on the last slide talking about how this isn't, we're not in the game of tricks, like how to get, a search engine trick or a Facebook trick. We're trying to teach you guys organic, long-term principles that'll work. And the whole point, the whole goal of a review website, there's a lot of things it does, but the end goal of the entire thing is one thing. It's to build a list. You'll notice I teach you guys how to edit the opt-in box at the top right-hand corner. You always want an opt-in box at the top right-hand corner, okay? Because that's how people are going to come and they're going to join your list. Okay, I can't stress that enough. So the list is the key integral part. That's how you're either going to win or lose this game of internet marketing. And so I want you guys really focusing on that. Don't forget that, okay? Okay, so again, that's what we focus on today. So I made a bunch of videos. I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process of getting your website up and running. And then throughout the rest of this week, we're going to be focusing a lot more on how to drive traffic to that website, how to get it ranked, how to get quick traffic, long-term traffic, and a bunch of other really powerful things. So make sure you're paying attention and you're following all these things step by step. Because if you do that, again, everything we're doing is building upon the day before, and that's why it's so important. Okay, so let's jump right in and get started. Okay, now there are two basic ways to make money with a product review site the way that we think tools. And he's a great internet marketer, this guy Mike. And what he does, he reviews products. So this is Armin Morin's products, and he talks about Armin a little bit. And he comes through and he reviews one product, shows a screenshot, talks about it a little bit, and then boom, has his affiliate link to that website. And then here's another Armin product. And boom, a link to that website. So he's just taking each product and reviewing it, and then go and review them and have your affiliate link next to each of the different reviews. The second model, and this is one that's a little more sneaky, this is one we saw one of our affiliates did, is they create a website and they review a lot of it. It's all right, but there's only one product that is really, really good, and it's this product. Okay, so they were promoting one of our products back then. And that was you can kind of see it. Strategy number one. So here's good old paintbrush. Strategy number one is you make your review website and you review a lot of different products, and each product links out to that person's offer page. Okay. Strategy number two is you have a website and you review a bunch of products, and all the product reviews are basically like, oh, it's okay, or oh, it's good, whatever, but all these are linking back to one product. And we tested a lot of things out. This is the only one we recommend. This is the best one of all the ones that we've done. So those are kind of two strategies. Both of these work. It just depends which one you like more. I know a lot of people have kind of gone this model and say, hey, DCSX is the best product we ever promoted. So they push all, they review every other guru's products and push them all back to DCSX. Or the people say, well, I want to review DCSX and Underachiever and this one and that one. Plus I want to review this guy's product and this guy's product and this person's product, and they review lots of different ones. And both strategies work. In fact, you can even do a combination of both of these, where products you really like you review, and then the products that are kind of negative you review, but you point it back to the one that you do like the best. Here's our number one choice of all the products we have reviewed. Okay, and that's the kind of the two different models on how to use a review website. I want to show you really quickly how to get your website installed using Fiverr. Now, first off, I want to recommend that you use GVO because there's a really cool comp plan with this hosting. They have autoresponders, a ton of different stuff. I think it begins at $10 a month, so it's really worth it. So I recommend using this. If for some reason you don't want to use GVO and you want to install it yourself, that's fine. Basically, first step is just to click on here to download the website, or you can just copy this link. So I copy the link and give that to the person who can install it. They can download the whole thing and install it for you. Next thing is, here's the installation instructions. And this is really as simple as it should be. Step one, do not try to become a programmer and learn how to install these things yourself. I've made millions of dollars online and I have no idea how to install a WordPress anything. Okay, so don't try to be the person who wants to learn these things. Step two, go to Fiverr.com. You can get this thing installed and done for between $5 and $10. And then what I do is I search for install WordPress theme plugin. So I even preload that search for you. Click on it, and boom, here's a whole bunch of people who will install WordPress and your theme plugin for $5. Okay, so this guy here, $5. He'll fix any problems you have. So this is a good resource as well if you ever get stuck. For $5, the guy will fix your site. If you can't figure out how to do anything, pay him $5. He'll fix the thing. Again, this guy will install, fix, move, optimize your WordPress blog, themes. He'll do everything for $5. So you just pick any of these people right here. Click on order $5 right now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to basically, oh, I lost my page. Let me go back here. After you pick them, you're basically going to give them a link to this website, to the download your website. So again, if I just come right here, I have a copy shortcut. That's the link where they can download the website. Give them your hosting and your or give me your hosting site, all that kind of stuff. They'll install WordPress on it. They'll install the theme, the plugins, everything, and it'll all be in there for you. Okay, now inside this zip file right here, see when I hover over this, you can see down here, you're going to see the link. There's a zip file if you see right down there. Inside that zip file, there's a README file that your programmer can look at, and it'll show them exactly how to install it. So again, for $5 to $10 at the max, you should be able to get this whole thing installed for you. But again, to be able to do this, you need web hosting already set up. So that you need to give your person your hosting information. Now, if you don't have hosting yet, again, that's why we recommend using GVO. It'll make your jobs a million times easier because they give you hosting, they install the site for you, everything else is done. So that's how you install the website on your own. Okay, now I want to show you exactly how to install your website if you're using GVO. The first step is you click here to sign up, and it's very important you sign up through this link. If you don't sign up through this link, it won't work. They create this whole installer script just for members of my downline, and so it's either going to be you or someone who referred you here that'll give you the ability to sign up through here. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to this page right here, and you'll know it's the right page because you'll see my picture right here along with Joel, and this kind of explains the whole thing. Again, here's all the internet marketers use GVO. It's an amazing service. You get web hosting, you get tons of things. You get web hosting, you get blogger builder, you get your video producer, you get conference software, you get prospecting system, you get GVO, and you get tons of stuff. Like, it's crazy. It's $10 a month. But you start with just $1 for a 7-day trial. But after it's $10 a month, hosting something you guys always need anyway. Autoresponder, something you have to have in your business. So this is probably the best deals out there I've ever seen. Again, it's $1 trial plus then it's only $10 a month. You get hosting, autoresponders, everything. So okay, I'm going to scroll up again really quick. So you sign up through here. Now after you signed up, then you're going to basically log into your page. So I'm going to log in right here. I can never find the login link. If you just go to gogvo.com, you can log in. So I'm going to log in with my account really quick. Okay, so I'm already logged in. Now, to find out how to install your website, you come down here, you scroll down, you notice right here, there's the little affiliate website generator logo. You notice it's the same logo from our site right here. So you see that little logo right here, you click on that button right here, and it'll take you to the step-by-step process on how to get GVO to set up your website for you. So basically, it's a pretty simple process. The first thing is you need to set up a domain name, and then you activate your hosting. And so basically at this point, you just follow their installation wizard right here, and it'll walk you through the whole process. So boom, click here to register your domain, get your hosting set up. And so for those who don't know, I think most of you guys probably know, but if you don't know, your domain name, this is your www.whatever.com. So you click here, and that's how you can help you register that, get it all set up. Then you need your hosting. That's where your website's actually going to be set up at. You activate your hosting, and then again you follow the steps, and it'll give you everything you need to be able to install your website. Now, if you get stuck for any reason, just click on the support tab right here, and their customer support can help walk you through it. Just make sure you tell them, say we're part of Russell Brunson's downline. We have the affiliate website generator, blogger builder, and we got stuck with whatever step of the process, and they can help you. Their customer support's great. And sometimes they forget, though, who we are, so just make sure you say, affiliate website generator, we're in Russell's downline, and that way they know exactly who you are and where you came from. And hopefully you won't have any issues with support. If you do have any issues with their support, let us know. We can contact them as well. But for the most part, you should be able to get any of your questions about how to set up the site handled through their customer support. Thanks so much. Okay, really quickly, I wanted to show you basically how to make a review on your review website. So after you get set up, it's kind of like this. Now, obviously, I put in a couple of sample reviews, and I actually had my designer switch out the header, and you can hire designers for that as well. But this is basically what your site's going to look like after it's been installed. So you need to log into your admin panel. And the admin panel is usually just whatever your domain name is /wp/login.php. So if you don't know where it's at, that's where your login is. You come down here, and you're going to put in the username and password that you were given after your site was installed. So this is where you're going to log in. This is kind of your back panel. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make a post. And right here on this version of the site, I've got 37 posts. I'm going to click on posts, and you can see a bunch from here. So if you want to come back and edit them or delete them, you can do that right here. I'm going to make a new post. So I click on Add New, and then the post is going to show up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of put my title up here. So if I'm reviewing a product, let's say it's .com Secrets X, I'm going to do .com Secrets X product review. And this is going to create the H1 tag on your page, which doesn't mean a lot to you guys right now, but when we talk, there's a video that talks about the strategy and how you're going to make money. You're going to want to put your keywords up here in this in your headline. So if your keyword that you're focusing on is .com Secrets X, maybe your keyword is internet marketing product, whatever it is, your keyword you're focusing on, make sure your keyword is up here in the headline. So I'm going to be focusing on .com Secrets X. So maybe I'll be like .com Secrets X unbiased product review. Obviously, people won't believe me because I'm very biased. It's my product. I think it's the best in the world. But if it was you, you could do an unbiased product review and talk about it here. And down here, you just talk about the product. So, hi, I love this product. It's really cool. Check out the site. And then you can put in your affiliate link right here, which, you have your affiliate link from site.com Secrets X or from wherever your affiliate link is. Link.com. You put it there. Thanks, Russell. Oops, spelled my name wrong. And then I'm going to come back here to the actual link. I'm going to copy this. If you want to make it linked, you click on link, and you just put right here the URL. I'm going to paste that right here. And that way, when somebody comes there and they click on it, it'll open up. It'll make it a hyperlink, if that makes sense. One of those blue underlined links. Then I come down here, I'm going to rate it. So you can do 1 out of 5 stars. So I'll rate this 5 stars. Then you can do a subtitle. This is kind of like a subtitle to show up underneath the actual title. This is Russell Brunson's new product. Okay, so you kind of do that. And then you come over here and you pick a category. So I might do marketing systems and maybe affiliate marketing, because you can pick multiple different categories. And then you can do some tags. So tags are just quick ways that people can search for things. So maybe you'll put in internet marketing, work from home, .com secrets, and .com secrets X. So it doesn't matter what tags. You can just throw in any tags that you want that people may be searching for. Usually the product name and then just some of the benefits you can put in there as tags. And if you want, you can put a featured image. You don't have to, but you can. So I'm going to click on Set Featured Image. Now, if you have if you have something on your file on your computer, you can upload it here. If it's a website, where the image is on the website, you can put it here. Or if you already uploaded a bunch of images, you can find them in here. So I'm going to show you just how to upload an image from your computer. So I'm going to click right there. Here's a picture of Brent. I'm going to upload that as my image. Now, if I want it to be the featured image, all I do is right here, just click on Use as Featured Image. And what a featured image is, back here, featured image is one that will show up right here on the side. Okay, if I don't do featured image, I can insert it into the post, but if I do featured image, it'll show up here right here on the side. So I'm going to set this as a featured image. I'm going to save changes, and I just close this block. Now that's the featured image for this post, and that's about it. I click on Publish, and boom, when I come back here to my website, and I refresh it, you'll notice that the new product review has showed up right there. It's got Brent's picture, has my link. If someone wants, it has 5 stars out of 5. Someone wants to read the review, they click right here, and they can read the review. Remember, we made that link clickable. They can click on it, and it'll go to the page. And that is how you create a product review. Again, it's very simple. You can come back here to the dashboard, and you notice now there's 38 posts. You click right here. You can see there's a new post. And again, if I want to edit it, I can edit it. I can delete it. I can view it. It's really simple just to make new product reviews. So again, you want to be making a lot of product reviews. Each product review you create makes a new page on your website, and it's going to optimize that page for the new product. Okay, and you'll learn more about that in some of the other training videos. But that's basically the concept of how to make a post on your brand new review website. Okay, I want to show you really quickly how to install a plugin on your WordPress site, because it's something that you're probably going to see a lot of really cool marketing plugins out there. There's a lot of them for WordPress, and so I'm going to show you exactly how to install it, because it's very simple. All you do is come here on the side, you click on Plugins, and there's going to be a whole ton of plugins here, thousands of them that you can look through. But what's kind of nice is you can actually go through and actually, if you click on Add New, this is really see the thousands. So there's tons of them here, and you can start searching for them. So if you know that, like for example, let's say you don't like the comment section like this, you want one of those cool Facebook ones, you could type in Facebook comments, type search plugin, and it'll find a bunch of different Facebook plugin that you can use. You can see the ratings on them. And if you like one, boom, you click on install now, and you can install it on your blog that fast. Okay, it's pretty simple and easy. Now, one thing I want to kind of give you as a caveat is that when you install these, they're going to ask for your FTP username and password for your website, so you should get that from your web host. The other thing is that sometimes there's paid plugins you can use as well. You may buy. Sometimes there's things you need to configure. My biggest thing for you guys is if you get stuck on something and you don't understand how to plug it in or how to install the plugin, or you want the plugin or whatever it might be, don't let that get you stuck. All you need to do is come back here to Fiverr. It's a great site, and just type in WordPress Plugin, and you'll find tons of people here who are willing to install WordPress plugins for you for just $5. Okay, and we use Fiverr for everything like that. You guys can use as well. So again, if you get stuck or you buy a plugin, you have no idea how to get it in here, whatever it is, don't contact us as customer support. We don't know how to do it either. Just go to Fiverr, pay someone $5, and boom, it'll be installed, and you'll have your plugin ready to rock and roll. Okay, there you guys go. Okay, in this video I want to show you really quickly how to edit these pages, like your About Me page, how to edit this page, or how to add new pages up here to the top. And it's very simple and easy. Again, you log into your dashboard, you can click on Pages right here, and these are your pages. So if you click on About, if you want to edit it, click on the Edit button. It takes you a page where you can edit. So you might change this, and this is where you're going to write your about who you are. Hi, my name is Russell Brunson. Here is my bio, and you can type out your whole bio, talk about what the website's about, what you like to do. All those type of things are very simple. Then you can just click on Update. You come back here, click on the About Me page again. You notice now it's got my new bio up here. See how easy it is to kind of edit that and change it. The next thing is if you want to add a new page, just click on Add New Page. And this could be Zuby is cool. Let's see, and then I could do... This is a page about how cool Zuby is. And I think this should add a top menu, but I may be incorrect. Let me check, see if it does. Okay, it didn't add a top menu. Let me find out really quickly how to add it to the top. Okay, so I just asked our programmers and found out what was wrong. The reason why is on our site, they'd create some other pages that weren't default. When you do that, when you just click Save, it should automatically add it to the top menu. If it doesn't, this is how you do it. You click over here onto Appearances, and then you click on Menus, and it'll show you the different links over here. If you want to add it to the menu, just click on that. So whatever, this is the page, the one I just created. I created the page called Zuby is Cool. I can click in that, and it'll add it to the menu. And it'll be there. And the other thing is right here are the different menus. Let's say if I want to make Zuby is Cool the second one, I can put it there. And if I want reviews to be second, I can move them around. And so if you want to move around the order of how these show up here, that's how you do right here under Appearances and then Menus. And you can again add the pages to the menu and then move them around however you like. And that's how you edit the about, how to edit the pages, and you add things to the top menu. Okay, on this video I want to show you how to edit the sidebar of your website. Now, the sidebar is really important for a couple reasons. First off, the top right-hand side, you always want to have your call to action. This is where people can join your email newsletter. So you want to be able to have this right here. Then obviously you have the categories. And down here you can add banner ads and a bunch of other really cool stuff for different products you like. And again, on any of the products you guys get through any of our sites, we always have banner ads and stuff. So you can put banner ads here on the side. So it's really important to learn how to edit this side menu. So I'm going to show you how to do that back here in your admin. So you log into your admin, and this time I believe you're going to go to Appearances here on the side, and then click on the little button that says Widgets. And this is going to show you your widgets. So you notice over here, this is my widget area, and these are all different types of widgets that I can go and I can add in there. So if I want the most recent comments to show up, I can drag it up here, and boom, now the most recent comments will show up. Okay, I don't want that one here, but if you wanted that, if you want to have your tag cloud, you can pull that up there. Search engine, recent posts. So here's all the stuff you can just pull over there, and all of a sudden it'll magically appear in your side menu, which is kind of cool. But right now, I'm just going to just how to edit your autoresponder one. So the very top one that should be in there by default is a text field, and if it's not there, you can just come down here, grab a text field, and throw it up there above the categories. Then you click on text, and you're going to notice what's going to happen is boom, this whole huge code, this HTML code comes down here, and this is the code that makes up this section right here. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna come back and I'm actually gonna get this code right here, because I know most of you guys don't know HTML code, and you don't need to learn it, but you do need to learn how to edit it. So we're gonna copy this right here, And then you need to find an HTML editor. Now the easiest way is, I found this one free online. It's just free-online-html-editor.com. You can find other ones online too. Just go to Google, type in free online HTML editor. So this is an HTML editor, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on the button that says source. This is going to be the place where I'm going to paste the source code. So that's all that stuff that was on the page. It doesn't make any sense. Then click on source again. It'll show me what the page actually looks like. So look at that's what all that code that was in there. So for this, I'm going to delete this picture right here. I'm probably going to delete this whole opt-in box here because I'm not sure what form that one even came from. Anyway, you can just pretty much delete the whole thing if you want. Come back here to source code. So now the whole source code is blank in there. So now I'm going to design the new thing that I want. So I'm going to type in, and it could be anything. It could be get free access to my internet marketing reviews email newsletter. Just put in your name and email below. So I'm going to put that right there. Maybe I'll make this on, I'm going to probably make this a little bigger. I'm going to make that big like that. And okay, so I'm going to do that. And then down here, you need to put in your autoresponder form code. Now, depending on what autoresponder you have, there's a lot of different ways to do this. So I'm going to show you just inside of Aweber how I get my autoresponder code. And if you use Aweber, just model that. If not, then just contact whatever autoresponder company you have, and they can show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I'm in here, my autoresponder code, and I'm just going to grab them really quick. I'm not even sure which one. I'll just do local. And in Aweber, how it works is you go here to web forms, you click on that, and they have a wizard that you can create a whole web form. So you create a web form and they walk you through the wizard. I'm not going to create a web form right now. I'm just going to grab the code from one of these. So I'll grab this right here, and you'll see after you're done, you'll publish, and there's places where you can grab your form code. And you can do it just by adding this JavaScript in or the raw HTML code. I personally like doing the raw HTML code, but that's just me. So I'm going to copy all that code. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to click back to source. So I go below all that text I just wrote. Obviously, it doesn't make sense to you. Just go below all the text I just wrote at the top, and then I'm going to paste that right there. So all that code I got from Aweber. And I come back, you'll notice that it looks like an email autoresponder form. It looks kind of goofy right now, but that's how it's supposed to look. So now I'm going to come back here. I'm going to select everything that's inside of this code. I'm going to copy it. Then I come back here to my WordPress on the side menu here. I'm going to delete everything that was in here. So I'm going to highlight that and delete it. Then come back and paste the code I just created. Then I'm going to click on Save. And what should happen now is this form over here should be updated with the new thing I wrote, which there it is. Get your free access to my email marketing newsletter. Put in your name and email address below. They fill in the form right there, and boom, there's the form code. See how easy that is? So that's how you edit the side menu. Now again, so I can close that now. If I want to go and if I want to add a banner ad, same kind of thing. So I'm going to click here and edit the text on this one. So let me show you how to get a banner ad. So for example, let's say I want to promote .com secrets. Let's see, actually it's x.comsecrets.com. Let's say I want to throw one of these banner ads up here. So I'm going to do, if you notice on all of our pages, if you scroll down to the very, very bottom, there's always a little button here that says affiliates. You click on affiliate, it'll take you to our affiliate sign up page. And on the affiliate sign up page, what's cool is we have email ads that you can use, but we also at the very bottom have banner ads. So let's say I want to throw this banner ad right here on the sidebar of my website. I'm going to grab this code right here. Now you notice one thing. You notice right here it has XXXXX. I need to replace that XXXXX with my Clickbank affiliate name. Or if you have an affiliate ID from a site of .com secrets, you could replace that whole text right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this first. So I'll show you how this works. Copy it. Then I come back over here. I'm going to post this banner ad right here. I paste it. And again, I'm going to replace the XXX with my Clickbank ID. So Sublime, that's my Clickbank ID. I'm going to click Save. And that should add the banner ad over here on the right-hand menu. Let's see if it does. And boom, there's the banner ad. It showed it perfectly. If someone clicks on it, you notice down here in the bar when I hover over it, See, it shows my affiliate IDs right there. So if someone clicks on it, it'll go through my affiliate link over to the product. Okay? So that is how you edit the sidebar. So you can add your autoresponder code up here. You can add banner ads down here, and again, there's a lot of other things you can add as well. All these different things over here. If you want to add any of them, just grab it, copy it over there, and then edit it. Hope this helps. Okay, I want to show you how to make money as an affiliate for Affiliate Website Generator. Now basically, if you scroll down right here, this is your affiliate link we already set up for you. Anytime you send someone to this link, you'll notice what's kind of cool is you have the ability to give them a free website. Okay, so boom, they get a free website. Now, I'm sure you noticed that when you went through the sign-up process, there was an upsell for .com Secrets X. It's a $1 trial and $97 a month. Now, for anyone that you give away a free website to, when they upgrade to that, you get paid 40% commission for the lifetime of that person. Okay, so that's $40 per month for everyone who upgrades. So it's a really good upsell that has very high conversion rates. If you want more affiliate tools, you can click right here, and you notice there's a whole bunch of affiliate tools. We give you sample emails you can send out. Here's sample emails. Here's sample banner ads you can post on your websites. A whole bunch of really cool stuff so that you can start promoting this the free website quickly. Okay, so that's the first income stream is .com Secrets X. Now there's a secondary income stream as well that I want to make sure you guys see inside of Affiliate Website Generator, because this is one that you can make a lot of money with. The second income opportunity is GVO. Now you notice right here when I hover over the sign up here button, look down there at the bottom, right down here in this section, you notice there is my affiliate link. It's russbrunn.hostthenprofit.com/.com. So that's my affiliate link. Now what's cool is after you sign up for this whole program, you come down here and you put in your Clickbank ID for .com Secrets X, and you put in your GVO ID here, so your username, you click save, and then what happens is when you refer anybody to this affiliate link, haven't done this yet, we talked about this back on day 6, is getting your website set up. Again, go to affiliatewebsitegenerator.com, get your site set up. Number 2 is you're going to make a couple 2 ways. First off, if they join .com Secrets X, you make money. And second off, if they join GVO and you're a GVO member, you make money as well. So there's 2 ways you kind of make money. So definitely promote Affiliate Website Generator as an SLO. If you have any credits left on any of the safe list sites, if you want to buy a solo ad too, it's a great thing. The other thing you can do is you can also promote GVO directly. If you promote GVO directly, again, there's a great comp plan. It's a great offer. It usually converts pretty well to a lot of these different traffic sites that we're talking about. So again, those are just some ways you guys can start making some money with this tools you already have while we're building out our website. Okay, so there's your homework for today. Get started. I know it's a lot of stuff you guys to do in one day, but get it done. Make sure, and then let's get in tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna start focusing on how to get traffic back to your website. So thanks, you guys, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.